Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous little vintage Dior for you today. So it's another one of those vintage trotters, and it is the mini Boston, and it's just super cute. I love all these vintage Diors that we've been getting in recently. So I'm going to talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and you can see we've got those Christian Dior loops on those top handles as well. And then we have the Christian Dior padlock attached to the end, and we've got a zip top closure on the top. And inside we've got a black kind of nylon lining, and we've got one flat pocket with a pressed stud fasten inside there. And on the opposite side we have one zipped pocket that has got the Christian Dior label on front of there with the serial code, the date code on the back. So you can see from the date code that it is from 2003. The condition of it, we've called the exterior fair condition, and I'll show you why. So on the top of here, you can see that we've got, it's a black and white jacquard monogram fabric, but you can see on the top of here, just by the zip, it's got very slight discoloration just by the zip on either side, which you wouldn't notice when you're using it and you're holding it like this. You're not going to notice that at all, but if you do look closely, just by that zip, you have got a bit of discoloration on that fabric. And then we have a little bit of creasing on the leather as well. You can see on the front, on this side, it is not as bad as the other side. It's quite smooth there actually, and on the base as well. It is quite smooth. There's very minimal marking to it. You can see there's a little mark on the leather just there, and a bit of a mark just there on the leather too. And on the actual jacquard fabric, you can see that's really nice. You can see that Dior monogram really nice and clearly. So that's why we've called the exterior condition fair. The hardware we've called good. It's all silver hardware, so you can see that this silver hardware, this Christian Dior handle loop, has got a little bit of scratching on it, kind of hairline scratching. And then the hardware here, you can see it looks a little bit more worn, but it's meant to have that kind of antique look to it on these studs. But we've called it good condition, just to make sure that you know that. And then we've got this Dior padlock as well. Again, this is really nice and shiny, but it has hairline scratches on it. And on the opposite side as well. You can see very, very minimal wear to that hardware on the padlock. So that is why we've called the hardware good condition. And then the interior, again, we've called good condition. It's actually really nice and clean on that interior. You can see the Christian Dior really clearly. All of that label is really clear. And there's very minimal marking again on the inside. There's just a mark right on the base, which hopefully you'll be able to see. So you can see on the base, it's got a bit of a mark just through the middle, but the rest of it is really nice. And so that is why we've called the interior good condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So obviously we've got that little Dior padlock attached to the side, and then we also have a generic bag liner which fits nice and perfectly inside here. So you can see without the bag liner, it does kind of fold in a little bit at the edges, but once you've got that bag liner in, it pads it out and gives it that really nice shape. So that is really useful. And then we also have the Dior dust bag as well. If you love this bag, don't forget to have a look at it on our website. Quickest way to get to this Dior is to click the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But we do have a request list, so if you've been looking out for one of these, if you are a vintage Dior lover, let us know. We can get you on the request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and then you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So get on that request list if you are interested in one of these. But before you do that, I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". You can have it with those top handles. You can pop it on your arm. You can have it just as a little miniature bowling tote bag, which is really cute as well. It's just a really sweet little bag. I love this size. It's about 24 centimeters, I think, so just miniature. But it would make a really lovely little extra travel bag for the weekend. It's a really adorable little bag. So have a look at it on our website. And don't forget, while you're on our website, you can sign up to our newsletter. When you sign up to the newsletter, we will send you through your welcome discount code to use on your first purchase with us. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. We'd love to see what we've got for us, and all the details you need to know are on that How to Sell With Us page on the website. So have a read through there. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.